My name is Andrew Stickel, and whether you love him or hate him, you can learn a lot about how to get more law clients from Donald Trump. Please allow me to explain. This is the spending by both the Trump and the Clinton campaigns, as well as the DNC and RNC on the 2016 election. As you can see, the Democrats spent twice as much as the Republicans, even though the Republicans won. So how did they do that? Well, one thing they used is earned media, and Donald Trump is great at getting earned media. Earned media basically means free media coverage. So for example, let's say a tweet like this one gets 10 million views, and each view is worth 10 cents. You could essentially say that you got $1 million of earned media coverage. Donald Trump received $5.9 billion of earned media or free media coverage from July of 2015 through October of 2016. In fact, look at this chart showing the earned media coverage by each candidate. Now this chart is from March of 2016, 8 months before the election, and he's already got 3 times as much free media coverage than Clinton. Now the reason that Donald Trump got so much earned media is because he made more noise than anybody else. And more noise led to more media coverage, which led to more noise, which led to even more media coverage. His earned media snowballed until he won the nomination and then the election. So by this point, you might be thinking to yourself, okay, that's great, but what does this have to do with my law firm and getting more clients? Well, if we can learn anything from Donald Trump and the way that he won the 2016 election, it's that creating noise leads to success. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and be outrageous and make outrageous statements or anything like that. You're trying to get law clients. You're not trying to win a presidential election. Making noise is going to be way easier for you. In an election, every candidate is out there campaigning, trying to make as much noise as possible. You're a lawyer. Your competition is virtually silent. They're asleep at the wheel. All you have to do is create a little bit of noise and you'll have success. And your noise doesn't have to be obnoxious, controversial, or polarizing. Your noise should be in the form of providing value. If you provide value for people, people will start paying attention to you. Now, social media is the key to making noise as a lawyer. But most lawyers that I talk to have already tried social media and it hasn't worked for them. And the reason for that is because they're using a very old but very common method that most lawyers use all the time. Typically, they weren't providing value and they weren't making noise. I'd like to invite you to the best free training that I've ever created. It's called The 3 Secrets to Getting More Law Clients from Social Media Without Losing Time and Money or Getting Screwed by a Marketing Company. In this free training, I'm going to show you the proper way, the real way to get clients using social media and how you can use social media to effectively make noise and get attention and see success. So if you want to learn the new way to get law clients for your law firm using social media, click the link included with this ad. Enter your information and we'll reserve a spot for you in the web class. If you want more law clients, then you need to attend this training. Click the link and register today.